Wait, I just get it off on the plug. Yeah, I just get it off like T-Buzz. I just get it off on 12 niggas. With the work with one hand.
Sway the remix god!